Hey everyone, today's video is can you profit from an all-inclusive 5-star party for New Year's Eve? I am not a big party person, but this I did as a challenge as to believe that if I can recover the amount. So I came to a very posh 5-star place in Mumbai and the tickets costed me about 10 grand and I wanted to see if we can profit from it. So this was the place, the party was amazing. As soon as I entered, I started eating as much as I could, and that was going on pretty well till I realized my stomach got full on the starters itself. So there was literally no space for me to try other foods, but the starters were amazing. I tried so many of them, and then it was time for some non alcoholic drinks since I don't drink. But this mocktail was too sugary as it is. I took two of them just to, balance out the points, and then it was time to use the washroom as it was not a good experience. And then the party was amazing, but I am not such a party person. I had one Diet Coke after this. Again, not a very good decision to have Diet Coke at 11 o'clock in the night when you're sick. But then I had some dancing with excess caffeine in my system, and that was going on pretty well. And I enjoyed myself dancing a little bit. And till then, it was the time that, the New Year's 12 midnight struck, and this was the celebration. So I will be fair and give it as a 2-3 grand for the celebration and rest of the food that is showing on the window above. So yes, I didn't profit from it, but the experience was good. But I don't think I'll be doing it ever again, and it is not a worthy thing to do on New Year's. I'd much rather be with my friends or my family at home and just have the best time of my life. But yeah, more or less, this party for the people who love going out and drinking, it's good for them. But people like me who don't eat non-veg and don't drink, it's boring. But yeah, at the end of the day, I had some fun dancing as it burned more calories for me, and I had a beautiful step count. But more or less, I was disappointed that this challenge didn't work out as it should. But subscribe if you'd like more such